In this video, we'll take a look at how you can import your existing deals to OnePageCRM from a CSV file. First, go to the Import/Export page located under your user profile. Then select Deals from the Import from Files section. Choose your file from your local device and the column format you'd like. It's important to note at this stage that any custom fields you may have in your file must also be created in OnePageCRM so that they can be correctly mapped, which is the next stage of the process. All deals must have contact email and deal name in order to be imported. Map any other columns from your file with corresponding OnePageCRM fields, choosing to ignore any if you'd like, and then move on to the preferences. If you use multiple pipelines, you can choose which one you want the deals to be added to. If you only have one pipeline, that will be set by default. Then review your settings and hit Import. You can check the progress on the Import/Export page, and you'll also receive an email when it's complete. Once imported, you can view your deals on the pipeline page or as a list of contacts.